Let's have a look at today. Buy position, we're going to go from this level here. It's a very nice level. We've come up, respected this candle slightly. We've surpassed these ones, but I do like that level. It's pretty much the only level we got, really, to be honest with you. There's nothing for miles back. So that is our level of resistance for today. If we do get a breakout above that, we may get a decent move because there's nothing really. Let's have a look on the hour. There's nothing until really, what was that date? 9th of August. So we might get hopefully we can get a good move if it does push up. So I'm going to lock that right in now. We'll come back to the sell. We may look at going there aggressive on the sell, but we'll come back to that. I'm going to lock that buy position in now.
Nice work.
Go. And this is breaking this level now, the sell. So we're going to move that. We'll come down to this next level. Potentially maybe something like that. See what this wants to do. Did I tell you the stop loss hustle? No, I read it out in my head. Stop loss on the buy, 3398.59. It's a little bit of a hard one on the sell because we've got all these weeks. We've got that week, that week, that week, that week. Nothing's really not lining up. There's no real clean levels. So it is a little bit difficult. This is a manipulation week, which I don't usually really like to go off. So I might even look at potentially. See how nothing's lining up? See when I put that line there, nothing's really lining up nicely.
Yeah.
So there's no real clean level here, which makes it a little bit more difficult. So I may do something like that. We've kind of got the base of the candle lining up with this wick. See that wick there? It's kind of lining up with these bases, the bases of these these ones here. So
at least it's still close to the price too.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So I am gonna look off that zone. The other zones, there's just too much. Yeah, there's nothing really lining up nicely. There's nothing that's really standing out to me. This level here was a really good level, but we've already crossed it. I really like that. I was hoping we weren't going to cross that because look, we've come in, we've tapped it. That's a good level. But all good. I'm looking at sell in there. Let's go. The market's still open. Let's go for it. Sell. Stop loss on the sell. I'm going to set it at 3395.38. And that's it. 20 seconds to the open. Hopefully they can give us something nice today for a Thursday. That'd be nice. Tomorrow, we may, if we do trade tomorrow, like I said, like even every Friday's just been terrible. So we may not trade it tomorrow, but if we do, I might even just potentially look at doing a swing trade rather than a scalp, just because of how the markets have been on Fridays.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, set like a nice, gives us room, a bit of breathing space, gives us room to if there's no volume, to retrace in our stop and hopefully not get stopped out. So we'll have a look at it. I'm still not going to do London session tonight. We'll come back to that next week. I haven't looked at it yesterday. Let me open this chart up on another screen and then we can have a look at what the UK 100 done yesterday. We really want it to just wait till it moves, you know what I mean? Wait till it moves nicely. Yeah. What's going on here? Let's have a look at this. All right, cool. I've just opened up this on another screen, so we'll check out the UK 100 for yesterday. We'll go off capital, that's fine. See what I was doing yesterday. Like, even look at that. That's, oh, yuck.
Jesus.
Even look at the, like, this is a New York Open. Like, even that, it's not really doing much. Up, down, you know what I mean?
It's so bad. Like,
Yeah, it's
so
been,
bad.
yeah, it hasn't been good. And there's the Open there. Yeah, that was terrible. No, we probably would have gone off this level potentially. Let me make that bigger. We probably would have gone off this level, to be honest with you. That would have been a little bit too close. Then would have gone off this level here. We might have caught that move. The sell, the buy, it looks like we would have got stopped out on. Let me have a look.
Yeah.
Yeah, the buy wouldn't. I'm going at 3. Maybe. Oh, we might have. Depends what that one. Depends what it was doing on the 1 minute. It's usually pretty aggressive, so we would have potentially got stopped out on that. Oh yeah, look, maybe a TP1, maybe. But if this 1 minute candle was moving up and down like it has been, probably would have entered us, reversed, stopped us out. Let's have a look.
Yeah.
I'll go to the 1 minute.
It's been pretty typical for the UK 100 recently.
Yeah, let's have a look what it was doing. Oh, we might have been that one there. Yeah, that one there might have got us. Maybe that week there might have got us. And it would have come back, stopped us out, and then gone up. And then on the sell, is that right?
Probably would have, because it's went to like what about $2 something.
Yeah, that would have entered us. Yeah, so that would have been stopped out, and then on the sell, look at that wick there. Look at that one that I didn't even notice. See that one there, right on the open. That would have got us. I reckon. Yeah. Yeah, look at that.
That's double fake out too.
Double fake out, man. Right on the open. Bang, hit us. Bang, hit us. So we would have got double faked out yesterday. Yeah, so we'll stay clear of that. We'll stay clear of the UK 100 for this week. We'll have a look at it again next week. We'll see what the German 40 was doing. Let's have a look. Today's Thursday, yeah? Yeah.
It is, yeah.
Same thing, pretty much. Look at that. So we would have gone potentially, maybe. We maybe have gone off that level. Hey, let me look on the 5 minute. Probably would have looked around that level there, I reckon. Potentially. And that level there, because we don't want to go too close on the open, on the German 40 and the UK 100. We may have even gone off the level below it. Well, let's just say that one there, because we've got that week there and that week there have lined up. So we'll go off that there. Have a look what that would have done. I know this is probably boring to look at, but...
It's all relevant, mate. It's all training, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Would have gone... What are we doing on this one? I think this one's like a 10. I think it's like 10 or something like that. We might have caught that, actually. Let's have a look in the 1 minute. Yeah, we would have... Oh, no, we wouldn't have. Look at that. See how it gets you? So it would have entered us here, come back out, and then gone down. So you got to look on the 1 minute. So right at the open, that would have entered us, retraced, stopped us out, and then continued. You could have potentially looked at a swing trade and got it. You would have got the swing trade, which would have been something like that. So you would have got that. So maybe we'll look at that, man. Next week, we might just go look at the swing trading for the UK 100 for the London session.
Yeah.
And we may do it on the Tokyo session tomorrow, just because of how average it has been lately.
Yeah, that's not bad.
5 minute. Doesn't really seem to be moving again this morning, but we'll see. We will see. Over the weekend, I'm going to update the brokers. I'm going to transfer from the brokers I'm with now, I'm going to transfer out of those accounts into the new broker, and I'm going to use them all. I'll use them all next week. Just to, I'm not
Yeah.
going to put all my money in it. I might just go with a small amount just to trial them out for the week,
Yeah.
and then yeah, man, see how next week if I get the same results with them, which I've been getting with these guys, the guys we're with now, then I will fucking tell everyone to move over.
Yeah, that'll be, and then everyone's trading on the same platform,
Yeah.
same entries.
And what I want to do, what I really, really want to do is I think it's very important we do this. And we've been speaking about it. I know Hustle and me and Sam have been chatting on and off about it for the last couple of months of what we do. Do we do a challenge together where do we do the prop firms? Do we try and pass a challenge together? Or do we just go and do $100 challenge? Obviously the prop firms aren't sustainable. It's just not going to work. Like if you want to become a long-term profitable trader, if you want to literally replace your job and earn an income, a weekly income, and grow and slowly grow and slowly grow, the best way to do that, in my opinion, is going live on a live account. That's the best way to do it.
Yeah.
You're getting real market conditions. You're working with a proper broker, and you're getting the spreads are going to be roughly the same all the time. You know, it's not simulated, so they can't go in and fucking manipulate the markets any more than what institutions do. So I personally think that's the way to go. And if we do decide to do that, I want all of us to do it together. So I want everyone, I'm going to try black bull markets all next week. If I get the same results with them that I have been getting with the broker we're with now, I want everyone to open an account with black bull markets. And I want you all to chuck in at least $100. You don't have to go crazy. We're not here to try and fucking make millions of dollars right now. We're here to learn so you guys get to a point where you are actually consistently profitable traders. And then once you can prove that to yourself, then you can start putting more money in your account and making more. But if everyone just starts with $100 and we aim to make $1 a day or $2 a day or whatever it's going to be, then after a couple of weeks, we can start going, all right, guys, where's everyone at? Hopefully you should all be profitable. There isn't any reason why you shouldn't be if you follow this system on a live account with live market conditions. Then we can go, okay, cool. Let's add a little bit more money in there now. Now you're earning $20 a day, you know, or on average, you might be doing $100 a week. Then we'll grow that account and then we'll go, cool. Now you might grow to $400 a week. Then you'll get to $1,000 a week. And then you can start actually seriously considering whether you need to work anymore or not.
Yeah.
And
that is the fucking end goal.
And that's the goal. The goal shouldn't be pass a challenge and get paid out 10 grand. That's not the goal. That literally, man, I hate to say it, but that is gambling. You're not going to get a long term, you're not going to learn a long-term trading skill by just going in and trying to pass funded challenges all the time. That's not a long-term thing. It's not going to last long-term. Yes, you may get lucky and pass the challenge. Yes, you may get lucky and get a payout, but it's not going to be a long-term consistent thing because it's simulated markets and because of how they manipulate it so much. So the aim here shouldn't be, for anyone in this group, the aim shouldn't be to get funded, make 5-10 grand and then lose your account and then buy another one and do it again. That shouldn't be your aim. Your aim should be to go live with a live account and get to a point where you don't have to work anymore. That should be your aim.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's what it should be. And if that's what your aim is, that's where you'll get it. That's what you'll get. If you stay consistent and if you don't fuck around and if you don't get impatient, stay patient and just do it. Just fucking do it. Live account, $100. Who cares what you're making? You're not here to make money right now. You're here to learn and become profitable.
That's right, mate. It's a thing for life, right? It's not the fucking Tesla win. It's like, hey, this is what I'm going to do to replace my income, and it means that I can go and do it anywhere around the world. But like you said, if you get lucky and you pass the prop firm challenge, like, what is your system? Have you back tested it? Have you forward tested it? Do you know that it's profitable long term, or did you just get lucky because there was some volatility in the market, caught a couple of good trades, and then you pass the challenge, and then what happens?
Yeah.
You fail, and then you back to square one. So this system's fucking awesome because it's something that is same time, same system, same risk every single day. It's consistent, and you can do it forever. Gold will be you'll be able to trade gold forever.
Forever, bro. Forever. And that's it. And then in the down times, and like I said, you're always going to go on winning streaks. You're always going to go on losing streaks, right? With this system, the losing streaks, as you guys can see, you've been on here long enough to see, they don't happen often. They don't. Like literally 6 months I've been working with Sam and we've had 1-2 week losing streak in 6 months. Yes, you might take losses. You're going to have, like yesterday we had a loss, but that's fucking nothing. Like that shit happens. Who gives a fuck? You're going to take losses. Who cares? But a losing streak where you're taking loss after loss after loss, with this system, literally we've had it in 6 months. We've had it once and it lasted 2 weeks. Yeah. So there's no reason if you're on a live account doing everything that I'm doing on the same with the same broker I'm using, there is no fucking reason why in 6 months, 12 months time, if you're patient and you're on the calls every day and you're doing this every day, why you can't start replacing your wage or earning enough money to pay your bills, pay your rent, whatever. Then when you can do that and prove that you can do that, you do that for another 6 months, and then all of a sudden, you're not only paying your bills, you're actually earning enough money to save, and then blow a little bit on holidays or whatever, and you just continue. And then another 6 months, you might be doing 3, 4, 5 grand a week. And that's the aim. That's what the aim is. That's what the aim is. You guys should really just be focusing on that. And not focusing on just trying to get rich quick, trying to just fucking pass a challenge and get paid out 10 grand. Because that's just, in my eyes, that's not the way to trade.
It's just pretend, mate. It's all fucking pretend shit.
Yeah, 100% it is. You know, you can go 3 years trading and always try to pass prop challenges and never progress. You can be 3 years in, 2 years, 3 years in trading and still not be profitable, because you've gone down the wrong path. You've gone to try and pass prop firms all the time. And then not only that, you've changed your system because you keep failing challenges. And really, it's not your system. It's the fucking prop firm. But anyway, we don't have to get into that anymore. Then you lose confidence in yourself. Then you quit for a while. Then you come back and you try again. And then you fuck up again because you're going down to prop firms. And then you quit again and then you try again. And you could do that for a 3-year period and then still be in the same spot. Or you can learn the system. This system here shouldn't take you more than 3 months to learn. Like a lot of you guys on here should be able to trade this system every day without me now, right? 3 months, say, to learn the system. Then you chuck $100 in an account. You're not there, you just trade that with that $100. You make $1, $2 a day. All you want to be doing is looking at the end of the week and the end of the month if you're in profit or not. Are you a profitable trader? Yes, cool. Do it for 6 months. Then, like I said, I don't want to repeat myself, but like I said, then you up it. Then you up it. Then you up it. And then within 3 years, you could potentially be a full-time profitable trader rather than just trying to chase that fucking 10 grand, 20 grand day. Yeah, all you need is 2 grand a week. All you need is 2 grand a week and you guys are set. That's all you need to start off with. You get to a point where you're earning 2 grand a week. That's 100 grand a year. If you can't live off 2 grand a week, then you're fucking doing something wrong, really.
Yeah, that's right, mate.
How you live off 2 grand a week, dude? You can work from your laptop, wake up at fucking 9:55 a.m. anywhere in the world, chuck your trade on, your buy and your sell stop, close your laptop, and get on with your day. You could be in the fucking Thailand, Bali, America, anywhere, Africa. You could be anywhere in the world and be earning a weekly wage from doing this if you do it properly. And that should be what all your goals are. That's what everyone's goal should be, that.
Yeah. Okay, mate. That's exactly what the goal. That's what my goal is. Like I've been real transparent about it. Like Gabby and I are looking to move to Malta, and if I'm not consistent with this system and I don't have live funds in an account and I keep failing prop firm fucking challenges, then I'll move to Malta and I won't have an income and I'll be fucked. So
well, it won't happen.
I've got to make sure that it's exactly right.
It'll stop you from moving because you're like, fuck, I can't actually do it. But if you're on a live account, and you start small and prove that you can do it, then you're going to have more confidence going. You go, fuck it, I'm going, let's go. I've done it with $100. With $100 in my account, I've managed to make $5 a week consistently for the last few months. Now I'm going to chuck 20 grand in there. And now I'm going to make $2,000 a week for the next 6 months. Then once I'm compounding, my account builds. Now I'm at 40 grand. Now I'm going to make 4 grand a week. Now I'm at 80 grand. You know what I mean? 100 grand, whatever it is, whatever it's going to be.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's it, man. That's all you guys need to do. Honestly, just it's not simple. It's not. It's hard. Trading's very fucking hard, and it's very fucking hard emotionally, and there's a lot of shit that goes into this. But once you get it, it's fucking simple. Once you get it and you understand it and you control yourself and you can actually fucking do it, it's not hard. It's not hard. You just got to control your emotions, control everything. Trade, only trade with your fucking whatever it's going to be, 1%, whatever you put it at, just stick with it. Don't try and fucking do a 10% trade. Just stick with it and be consistent.
That's it, mate. That is the fucking
bit of a lecture this morning, guys. And well, it's only because, mate, I'm so fucking sick of all this bullshit. I'm so sick of all the prop firm fucking bullshit that everyone tries to go down. And it's a reason why people aren't profitable, and it's a reason why people give up, and it's a reason why 95% of traders don't win. It's because that's what they're trying to do.
Yep. Fucking right, mate. Exactly.
So fuck those prop firms.
Fuck those guys, man. They are fucking so dodgy.
Yeah. Fuck them all. Moving slow again this morning, which isn't good because we really do want that volume. And we do got all that. There's so many levels we could get reactions off here. So it's a very risky trade taking the sale this morning. But like I said, I just always take it. I always do it. I always go for it. And if I lose 4 days in a row, to me that's a losing streak. Then the following week, I'll put my lot size to pretty much 0.01, the absolute lowest I can go. And in that week, I'm not trying to make money. I'm just trading to see when the markets are back. And that's it. That's it.
Yeah.
Keep it simple, stupid.
That's right. That's fucking right, mate.
Anyway, if we don't get a movement by 10:30, I'll close both positions off because there's just not enough volume there. But we'll see how we go. We've got nearly 10 minutes.
Yeah, sick.
Yeah.
Bit bearish. It's looking a bit bearish.
It is, man. Well, yeah. It's looking a bit... You know what it is looking? It's looking a bit fucking consolidating. Boom, 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 boom. Like, work it out, man. Work it out. It's good that we're reacting off this level, though. That's good because it means it is a level. Even though this wick here is a fake out wick, it did come and respect here, these candles, the base of these candles. So, and we're getting a reaction now, so that's a level. So I'm happy with that. That's a level there, which is good.
Yeah.
Which means if we can break it, hopefully we can surpass all these little fucking wicks here. Hopefully none of them are even in it. Like, hopefully we don't get reactions off those because we've reacted off this level. So I'm glad we called that level. We called that level fucking really nicely. And then hopefully that this is our reaction here, off this point. Freezer. And just going back on those live accounts, for anyone that's in the group, like for all you young guys that are in here, hey, you guys, if you have a live account and just chuck a small amount, $50, $100, whatever it's going to be, and just follow me every day and do this shit every day, by the time just say you're 18 now, by the time you're 21, you're going to be like 20 years ahead of most traders. Like, it's insane. Like, it's fucking insane. If I had this opportunity where I was that age, mate, you're set for life. Like, literally, you are set for life. Well, all your mates are doing apprenticeships and fucking working their asses off and being on site at 7 and doing overtime on the weekends to make extra money, and you're just fucking doing this. Like, literally, you're just doing this.
Yeah.
Right?
Fuck, imagine that, man. Fuck, if I had that, oh man, think back to when I was 19, I was doing my fucking apprenticeship. I was getting paid fucking $6 an hour to be a carpenter, and I was out in the rain, fucking helping builders pour concrete and shit. Man, I would much rather have been sitting just in front of my computer for fucking half an hour a day, put on a trade, make way more money than I would have made anyway, and then just go do whatever the fuck else I want.
Exactly, man. Exactly. You know, not only that, even and then the other thing is you go start businesses and shit, dude. Like, fuck, man, you start businesses are a fucking headache, absolute headache, and you're relying on other people, and you got staff and overheads and fucking people not paying you and all that bullshit. This is just you. It's just you and the markets. You don't have to worry about any of that shit, any of it.
Yeah.
You know.
That's right, mate. That's fucking right. You got no one to answer to or no one to fucking show up for apart from yourself.
Yeah.
That's it.
It's just you and a fucking laptop, man, and that's it. You fuck up, it's because of you. If you fuck up, it's your fault. You know what I mean? It's not because someone else fucked up and you lost money. It's not like you got employees that are fucking up and you're losing money.
Yeah.
It's literally.
Yeah, it's not like you got sales reps out there and someone crashes a car and you lose money.
That's it. 100%. Oh yeah. Did you trade with Wildfall yesterday?
Man, I didn't have an opportunity to pick my fucking phone up yesterday.
That's
I was going like a bull at the gate for the whole day, so I literally missed every signal.
That's all right.
I picked up my phone to do something and then fucking
the
signals came through and I get back to my phone and then it's done.
Yeah, it's all right, bro. It's all good.
It's all good.
Today's another day, man. Yeah, exactly. Today's another day. Who cares? It's all good.
That's the other thing it's a really, really good point, and you've got to kind of remind yourself of that sometimes too. It's like if you miss an opportunity or you see a trade and you're like, oh, maybe I'll take it, maybe I won't, and you don't fucking take it for whatever reason, and it does work out in your favour, that's fine because at least you didn't take a fucking loss. And then the next day you can come back and you can trade again. Like every single day will bring an opportunity. You don't have to be married to every single trade. Like if you miss one, so be it. Come back the next day. It's all good.
100%, man. 100%. Dude, even take a week off. Like if you've had a good week and you're like, fuck it, just take a week off. Who cares? Who gives a fuck? Come back the following week. Like over Christmas, I'm not going to trade. I won't trade from Christmas till mid-January. The markets are shit. The markets are terrible. There's fuck all volume. Everyone's on holidays. So I just won't trade it. I might even just come back at the start of Feb and just have a month off, you know? There's nothing wrong with doing that. Nothing wrong with that.
Having a month off.
Yeah, bro. A month off. Well, to be honest with you, when you trade like this, you have you literally have a year off. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like literally, it's like you're consistently on holidays.
Yeah. It's fucking good, man. Like you can do it. Like my fucking perfect day. Get up, trade. After I've done some trading, fucking go play some golf somewhere. Come back, go to the gym, cook dinner. Like walk the dog somewhere. It's fucking that's what life should be about. Not fucking get up and go to work for some other cunt who's just going to yell at you all the time for making a mistake or some bullshit.
Yeah. Working on your own schedule. Doing what you want to do. You want to fucking have a day where you just sit on the couch watching movies all day? Fucking do it. Who cares? Come back to the markets tomorrow, make some money. Who cares? You know, fucking happy days.
Yeah.
Whatever. It's not, mate. Life's being pushed that you have to hustle and you have to grind and you have to fucking work your fucking ass off and you have to be going. You got to beat everybody else and you got to be the winner and you got to be ahead of everybody and you got to fucking. It's all bullshit. It's all fucking bullshit. It is all fucking bullshit. You don't have to do any of that. You just need to make enough money to be free. That's what you need to do. You need to make enough money to create a life of freedom. That's it. That's what matters. Fuck all the other bullshit.
That's what trading, mate. Fuck all that shit. Everything else is just made to keep you in the fucking system and keep paying money to the fucking government, bro. It's ridiculous.
Yeah. Yep.
You learn this. You go live in a country that doesn't have fucking such strict tax laws like Malta, like what we're doing.
Yeah.
You do whatever the fuck you want, man. No one will even know you exist.
Yep. Just living your life, man. Hire a fucking catamaran. In Malta, I done that when I was there. Hired a catamaran, the yachts, and they just went out. And there's like, it's like it's like these islands or something you go to, I think, and I can't remember. It was like a rocky island, and you just go there, man. It's like crystal clear water, and everyone just goes and fucking everyone's on their boats, and you're just swimming in the water, cranking tunes. You got a barbecue going, man. It's fucking the best.
Yeah, man. It's the
Yeah.
fucking best. That's literally, we did that last year. We just hired a little, we only had a little boat, but we hired a boat and we just fucking drove it around the islands, went to this beautiful place called Crystal Lagoon, jumped off like cliffs and shit, man. It's fucking living. That is literally living.
That's what you should be doing. Exactly. Not fucking grinding, building businesses, and then you're stuck. Then you're fucking stuck.
Yeah.
Now you got employees. Now you can't go anywhere. Now you can't do shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. Fucking hell, that's what Gabby's dealing with at the moment. She's like, I just want to fucking leave. I know, we'll get there soon, don't worry.
It's the worst, bro. It's the worst. It's the fucking worst. It's, you know what it is? It's just patience, isn't it, man? You just need that. You need patience. You just got to fucking be patient and know that if you're working towards it every single day and you're patient, it will eventually it will happen.
Yeah, exactly.
Eventually
Right. And you
it
have
will
to have
happen.
a plan and a system.
Yes. Yep. 100%. Oh, come on. 3 more minutes, man. If we don't get a move, I'm going to close it off. No trade day today.
Yeah.
Which is fine. All good. There's nothing wrong with that. Been a slow week, but that's okay. Last week was really insane. We had 3 TP5s validated last week. So, all good, man. It's all part of it.
Yeah, it's good.
All
That
a
is
part of
good.
it.
I've got I've got some other actually some things maybe within the next 2 weeks. I've got some things that could be potentially cool for the group if they want to explore another avenue as well. Outside of this, obviously, it's just a little muck around thing. But if everything goes well with an opportunity that Gabby's been given,
Yep.
it could be cool for everyone. Otherwise, if it's something that no one's interested in, then
Yeah,
Gabby's
sweet.
group will do it, and that's it.
Yeah, sweet, bro. Opportunities are always good, man.
Yeah, man.
Opportunities.
Anything's worth looking at.
That's right, mate. That is right.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, boys, I reckon we might call it. I'm not liking the way it's moving. It's very slow. I'm going to close both those positions off now. And me personally, I'm calling it a no trade day for me. If this does go and hits a TP5, I don't give a fuck. I don't care. I haven't lost. I haven't made money and I haven't lost money. So whatever. If it goes, it goes. All good. Hopefully it does go and hit a TP5 because then it gives us more confidence for next week.
That's right. Need some more volume. That'd be great. And tomorrow we'll come in. We'll just assess and see what's happening. Is that what you said?
Yeah, we'll jump on tomorrow morning and we'll have a look at it. We'll see how it opens. If it opens decent, then we'll look at potentially doing a swing trade on it tomorrow morning. But yeah, we'll jump on. We'll have a look at it and then we'll assess it.
Yeah, sweet. Sounds good.
Oh, boys.
Sweet.
All right, team.
See you all tomorrow. See ya.
Catch you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
There you have it. No trade today, which is okay. I'm happy to do that. I'm happy to take no trade days. It's much better than taking a loss. There's no volume in the market. We rely on volume. So that's it. No trading for us today. See you all.